In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Jotform in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to gather event registrations, feedback, or create any other form, making sure your form looks great and functions perfectly is crucial. Jotform is an incredibly powerful tool that allows you to do just that, and today I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can customize your forms like a pro. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Jotform's official website. It's the starting point where all the customization magic happens. Once you're there, the next step is to log into your account. You'll see the login option right on the home page. Clicking on it takes you closer to bringing your custom form to life. If your account is tied to Google or another platform, Jotform makes it super easy to connect. Just select the appropriate option and you'll be logged in no time. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the My Forms page. This is where all your form creations live. From this list, select the form you wish to edit and hit Edit Form. This will take you directly into the editing interface, which is where the real fun begins. Now, to add new elements to your form, look for the Add Element button. Jotform offers a plethora of options to add to your forms. Under the Basic tab, you'll find standard form fields like text boxes, email fields, and drop-down menus. These are the building blocks for your form. But what if you want to accept payments through your form? That's where the Payments tab comes into play. Here you can integrate payment options like PayPal, Stripe, and more, enabling you to collect payments directly through your form. For those of you looking to add a bit more flair or functionality to your forms, the Widgets section offers some pretty cool options. Widgets can provide your forms with advanced features like adding a signature field, a date picker, or even a file uploader. Now let's talk about making your form not just functional, but also beautiful. Click on the Form Designer icon. It looks like a little paint roller. This is where you can really make your form stand out with custom colors, fonts, and more. First, you can dive into the colors section to paint your form in the hues that best match your brand or your event's theme, ensuring a seamless visual experience for your users. If you're keen on refining the look even further, the Styles section is your next stop. Here you can tweak font sizes, button styles, and form spacing. This is great for ensuring that your form is not only eye-catching, but also pleasant and easy to navigate for your users. Lastly, for those looking for a quick facelift without having to fiddle with individual settings, the Themes section offers pre-designed templates that can instantly elevate the look of your form. Whether you're aiming for a sleek, professional look or something more fun and vibrant, there's likely a theme that fits your needs. Remember, customizing your form isn't just about making it look good. It's about creating a seamless and enjoyable experience for your users, encouraging them to complete and submit your form. Take the time to explore these customization options, experiment with different styles and elements, and see what works best for your specific needs. As you can see, customizing your Jotform is a straightforward process that can have a big impact on how your form looks and works. With the steps I've outlined today, you'll be able to turn your forms from basic to brilliant in no time at all. It's all about experimenting with different elements and styles to find what best suits your form's purpose and your aesthetic preferences. That wraps up our quick guide on customizing your Jotform. I hope you've found these tips helpful and feel inspired to dive in and start customizing your own forms. Remember, a well-designed form is not just about aesthetics. It's an essential part of providing a great experience for your respondents and improving your form's success rate. So, go ahead, give your form the makeover it deserves, and watch as the responses start rolling in. Happy form building!